Hi, here's a quick tutorial on the way I play the intro leading into the first verse with the harmonic bit for Neil Young's Harvest Moon. I'll play it, then I'll explain how I'm doing it. Okay, here we go. From there you're into just familiar territory with G, A+4, A7, and there's an E-7. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm using, just for the riff, is 3 chords. It's D, D6, or it can be called B-7, and also D major 7, which is the B-7 but with a finger on the A string, first string at the 4th fret. Now I'm playing D with one finger, barring it across strings 4, 3 and 2 at the 2nd fret. I'm doing it that way and then tilting up so I don't foul the A strings and it rings. Yes, you can play it like that, or with whatever, but I play it like that because it's easier then from there to collapse your finger and bar all 4 strings across the 2nd fret to get the D6. Okay, so it's a ding off the top, and then there's 4 of them. So what I'm doing is ding, down for the full D, the D6, and then I play, loosen the left hand so it's just damping the strings before I play. That's up, down from the D-7, D major 7. Sometimes I actually play a scrape instead of just the ordinary because it's a bit like something like this. Hang on. So there's 4 of them. Before you go into the simulated harmonic bit, which is played on I think a pedal steel guitar. It may actually be harmonics, but from the video it looks like he's actually playing on a pedal steel guitar. Right, what I'm doing is, so it's on G, and instead of playing G like that, which I would normally play, I'm playing it as a bar chord. So index finger across strings 1, 2 and 3 at the 2nd fret, 2nd finger on 2nd string at the 3rd fret, then a big stretch with your little finger up to the 7th fret, 1st string. So the notes I'm playing, or what I'm playing is the string I'm playing is at first in that position. Make sure you get that note because that's the note we want to hear most. Then lift it off and then come up with your index finger. Doesn't matter if you catch a couple of strings. Then down with your thumb on the open G string, and then I pick up with my index finger on my right hand that note, which is 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then into the E-7. You don't have to play that to actually play the song. It's just a bit, something extra you can put in or work to. You can go straight into the E minor from the riff. So the last one would be. So you'd be singing then. Okay? That's it. So you get on with it. Bye.